Can you just imagine yourself sitting right in the mountains, lakeside, beautiful view, but your RV's windows are way too small? With this, you will never have that. This is the 270ZEN. So this floor plan is adequately named the 270ZEN, not ZYN for all you Nick fiends out there, ZEN, because this brings you to a Zen state. This floor plan is incredible. This is the biggest window I've ever seen on a travel trailer. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. The outside of this is sick. The inside is even better, but I'm gonna make you wait for that. I wanna show you some of the features on the outside before we jump in the inside and blow your socks off. All right guys, so I'm jumped around the front of the Salem now. Front compartment here, it's not a pass-through. It doesn't really bother me because of the adequate storage in the inside. I love this dry erase surface here. Welcome home, grocery list, packing list, you name it. I absolutely love that. In the inside, all right, we're gonna show you the inside. We know you guys always wanna see the compartments. I'm gonna show you this compartment now. Be mindful. We're about to get freezing weather here in Louisiana. Like, we don't know what to do with it. So we just drain all the water from everything on the lot. So right now the panel's removed so you can see the water heater, which is an on-demand water heater, and then I don't know what that other thing is, maybe a converter or something like that, but you can see them. It looks unfinished. That's purely because we moved the panel, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, on the exterior, we have JBL speakers inside and outside. Big plus to the sound quality instead of just your cheap marine grade speakers that a lot of folks will throw on this that crackle and pop. This actually, you can hear the deep soothing music that you love to listen to. The outside on this, other than the big window, yeah, it's beautiful, it's awesome, but the inside is what is gonna absolutely blow your mind.
It's time to go boom, shake up the place and change the whole room. Whoa, yeah, it's time to go boom, we ain't the same, don't get me confused. Whoa, yeah, it's time to go boom, shake up the place and make it go boom. Heat in the air, it's time to go boom, we ain't the same, don't get me confused. Whoa, yeah, it's time to go boom. I ain't the same as those.
All right, guys. I'll be honest here, we're just gonna have a moment of silence for every other trailer in the game. RIP, I mean, you're done for, you're over. Look at this, I mean, this is incredible. The blade lighting here, this is like, you never feel this way with trailers where like, I can't stop looking at it, it's incredible. You don't really feel this way with RVs in general, but the lighting on this, and like, lighting seems so simple, but this is incredible. I just want to take a moment. And then you come to the back here and you've got this massive window, absolute Zen state. This is awesome. I love it. All right, let's jump into some more of the actual differences that this makes and why this thing is so sick. All right, so I just mentioned this blade lighting. This is so sick. Also, I should say it is dimmable too, so if you want to, you know, tone it down a little bit late at night. But yeah, this lighting is so sick. It's a complete game changer. When you see a lot of trailers on the lot, a lot of places like you don't have them lit up, and this is one. If you followed our channel at all, you know that we are getting ready to move to a new location. And with that, we're gonna have power out on the lot so we can actually display these lights. Because if you didn't see this with light, like you would know you have these accent lights above the slide, or even how awesome these blade lights were until you got home with it, or the day you came to pick it up, and like, that's not acceptable. This looks way too good to hide that away. So our kitchen area here, they call us the 270ZEN. This is kind of like a new take on a rear living floor plan. So you still have your opposing slides here, tons of room. The big difference is in that huge window, and then also just the aesthetics. The RV industry suffers from the sea of sameness, is what we like to refer to it as. Everything looks the same. You get so fatigued, especially as you look. You're like, what was this? What was that? They all just look the same. It's just smorgasbord effect. This actually looks so different. It's so refreshing. Yes, it is modern. If you prefer more of the traditional look, this may not be for you. It still does have warmth though. So yes, it's modern, but there is some warmth to it. I think it kind of balances on both sides. In our kitchen area here, we have a huge 10 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt compressor driven. So what does that mean? That means that this is actually going to pump cold air in, and you can freeze your Rocky Road ice cream in here, no problem. Or if you're a Ben & Jerry's guy, go for that. Storage underneath our island. So this is also another like new for me. And if you've seen it before, let me know. They might have it on fifth wheels. I've never seen it on bumper pool, where we get an island with the built-in sink, and then also it's a bar too. So we have 4 seats here. So since there's not a dinette or a traditional table, this is your bar with 4 seats. And I just think that it's just awesome. It's very, very sleek and different. The kitchen area here, more storage down below. So you've got a built-in trash can. That's just great. I mean, you just can't beat that. You've got pull-out drawers here. So 3 different pull-out drawers. And then above, you've got different storage here. So these, this one doesn't open all the way, which actually, like, it's kind of cool. It just seems kind of sleek. I don't know if we can adjust that. Like, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. We literally just got this in. And then this one here kind of comes, and again, it doesn't go all the way down, but I almost feel like this would be perfect for, like, cookie sheets or something like that, or just anything like Ziploc bags. I mean, anything really. Then you've got the storage above here, storage to the left above your stove. You've got 3-burner stove, you've got a gas oven, and then you've got storage even below that also would be great for more cooking utensils. To the right, I'm going to show you here is going to be our living area, where we've got huge electric fireplace and then a big space where you can put a TV as well. I feel like I should have like a tie on or something right now. This is so suave, this area. But yeah, so these chairs are both super sick. I've got the mats underneath them right now, like little carpet mats. That just comes for shipping. Like, you're not going to keep that there. The huge window behind, I'm going to get to this in a second, but you've got your curtains here. And it has like a little track down low that kind of like just keeps it where, I guess that's just where the archway is. It's just aesthetically pleasing. It looks great. Huge electric fireplace here. You might notice it's funny, it doesn't come with the TV. This is something that actually like doesn't bother me that much, because most of the TVs they put in from the manufacturer anyway are like as cheap as the TVs can get. And anyway, TVs are really not that expensive anyway, so you can add a TV here if you want to add a smart TV or whatever. Go for that. And if you say, hey, that's just a way where they cut costs, like, yeah, you're right. You can see where they put their money. It was not the TV, it's in the aesthetic stuff here. Also, your roller shades are kind of like a bamboo material, which I really, really like. It's just different. Again, all this is different. Normally you have like gray shades or black shades. These are a different color, so it's really, really sleek. And these do recline as well. I mean, this is just nice, man. I love it. Let's flip around. Going to check out the couch that actually does have extra sleeping capacity. So it is a couples coach, but you can sleep 4 in here, no problema. All right, guys. So this window, as you can tell, is also really big. Not as big as the one in the rear, but like, I mean, there's so much natural light in addition to the LED blade lighting and the strip lighting that you have all throughout. Comfortable couch, honestly, very comfortable couch. Cool little nook here, 3-level. You've got USB, USB-C, and 110 plugs here. And then, as I mentioned, you do have the trundle bed. It's a little bit hard to show you guys, but the trundle is going to pop out like that. We are going to pull it up and out. There you go. Nice and easy sleeping there for a 3rd and 4th. And then to put it back, I'll pull it up like this. Easy does it. For the dinette, or I'm sorry, not the dinette, the bar area, so you've got like 4 bar stools here. Pretty comfy, like a low back chair. Nice and casual. So 4 here, we can play cards, which you do get cards when you buy from us. It's small, but it's cool. Yeah, this is just sick, man. I mean, this is just really cool. You do have 2 ACs as well, so it's ducted AC throughout, so regardless of where you're at, you're gonna be able to stay cool, no problem. So I'm gonna scoot back a little bit here. You might be wondering, where is the microwave? Everyone's like, oh, where's the microwave in this thing? It's actually hidden. So this is gonna be one some people might like, some people might not. Hey, it's not for everybody, and that's okay. So it is a hidden microwave. Again, it's just different. Like everyone else has, everyone else has the microwave just plain where you can see it. Like Lane Kiffin says about LSU, it's just different, man. This is just different. You've got a shelf up here for your spice rack. Plenty of storage beneath. This goes like 2.5 feet back that way, and you've got 2 different levels of it. And then what I really love about this pantry storage, it goes all the way back here for starters. And then 2, it's adjustable. So you can change your levels. You have 4 different shelves here that are movable to about 2 inches each. You can change the level of them and absolutely customize it to the way you're going to use it. So we're going to scoot back, and I'm going to show you the bathroom area. And they continued this beautiful arch patterning all throughout. And if you see the lights flicker, that's because we're going off a battery pack right now. And whenever we got in this thing, tell you the truth, we were marveling at it for so long that we're like, oh, we actually got to shoot a video too. Let's check out the bathroom. All right, guys, so I'm in the shower now. The shower is huge, and also you have this curtain that kind of comes out on the top, so that's good. I found the first thing that I don't like about this is this skylight. I don't know if this will actually matter. Like, I'm not 6'4", but the skylight doesn't go the whole shower. So like if you were really tall, like you couldn't stand right here. You would just have to stay in this smaller area here. Again, I don't think that's a big deal, but it is worth noting. Right when I saw it, I was like, okay, that's weird. The skylight doesn't take up the whole thing. But you have built-in little towel racks that fold down. That's sweet. Perfect area here for towels or toilet paper. To the left, you've got a big sink. It is a plastic sink. I don't mind that because of how big it is. And then even the mirror continues with this arch, and it's got awesome accent lighting behind the mirror. Toilet is a porcelain toilet. Big plus for an aluminum trailer. I can't say enough good things about the look and feel of this Salem. Now let's take it home in the bathroom. It continues to impress. I'm sorry, take it home to the bedroom. It continues to impress even there. All right, guys, so we are in the bedroom now. King bed here, so it is a 66 by 78, so it's a little funny size king. That's just how RV mattresses typically go. So you're like, wow, this is leaning up. We're not in the hospital, Cam. It's like, I know you're not in the hospital. Just give it a second. So it's called the Versa Tilt. So everything that Salem uses, they refer to it as Versa in the front, I guess to keep the branding consistent. But this bed lowers, takes its time, but it does lower. Nice. Okay. And then right here, you have steps if you're old. No offense. Or if it's the steps are for like a little pet to hop up here with you if you've got a little ankle biter. And then on either side of the bed, you're going to have shelving. So that's the bigger side. And if I'm not mistaken, so you have 110 and USB-C here. And you also do on that side. So whether you need to charge your phone, your tablet, or put a CPAP, you are good to go. This is also prepped for a washer dryer. If you don't use the washer dryer, because you can do a stackable in here. So you can actually get the two rear ones instead of one combo. Or you just have a ton of closet space here, a massive closet. And even to the right, more closet space there. Up above me, you've got full cabinet space that goes through all as well. Opposing windows in here adds some more natural light. And again, with the dual ACs, you have a whole AC just for the bedroom, so you can completely get froze out in here. This is just the cherry on top to have a king bed, washer dryer prep. This Zen is awesome. I'm like literally feel like I might be like levitating right now. This is sweet. Let's go hop back in the front and go stand under that blade lighting one more time. All right, guys, this was the 270ZEN. This is literally probably my favorite bumper pull that I've seen to date. I mean, this is just an absolute game changer. I really, really like this. I think this is gonna be an absolute game changer. You've got to come see this thing in person, and even more importantly, you've got to see it lit up. The lights on this, it's a complete mood setter. And if I'm getting a little tired, like I said, I can dim it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. If you made it this far, definitely like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we will definitely see you next time. Keep posted. We have got some awesome product headed our way in the next 2 or 3 months. Stay posted. So we appreciate you guys stopping by, and as always, enjoy the journey.